Hello and welcome to Humpday Ramblings number 7. Probably should have gotten rid of the gum before I started recording. So it's only been 5 days since number 6, but I wanted to try to hit as close to Wednesday as possible. It's a little bit after midnight, so I missed that. It's been a long week overall. I'm in training this week, which is a good thing. I mean, it's better than trying to support technology that you got no training on. But it hasn't left a whole lot of time for anything else. I've only gotten a couple of printing projects done, and I'm learning the hard way that things get thrown out a lot. Now I understand why we did so much grinding back when I was working at the plastic shop and the injection molding shop. Having said that, I've learned a few things. I ran into some adhesion problems with the bed on really wide prints. I think I just realized I forgot to do something. Anyway, I gotta go check on something. I think I may have started an 8-hour print and forgotten to scale it up the way I wanted to. So that would suck. Having said that, this is what happens when you don't have enough time and you're rushing to get through stuff. I actually worked on labs for training until about 10:30 tonight, so I'm kind of tired right now. Having said that, it's after midnight and I need to get to sleep. Got a couple other projects in the works. I did pick up some brass-infused PLA. We'll see if we can't wear out a nozzle in short order and what the product looks like. Gotta be honest, I'm not pleased with the packaging. It's not vacuum sealed. Or if it is, it's lost its seal, and the Deskin packages leave something to be desired. Let's put it that way. But anyway, on the upside, I've got a couple more camping trips planned for this year, so I should probably get my butt in gear and get all those other trips that I took footage for posted. I'm thinking that I spend too much time fiddling over the small bits. So, I mean, I got the Kentucky Knob Creek machine gun shoot out of the gate. It only took me about an hour. So I should be able to do that with some of these others, especially the ones from South Dakota, where I cut them into segments on a per trip basis. But anyway, all right, that's it. I won't bother you anymore with any of my photo shows. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.